Hey everybody, we are two moms, let's cook.
Alright, I'm doing a do-it-yourself creamer at home. Saves money and it's also healthier because it doesn't have a bunch of added ingredients that you don't want in it, like oils. We're using pure vanilla. We're going to use this Tirani salted caramel syrup. We're going to use 1 can of the sweetened condensed Eagle brand milk. We have 1 3/4 cups of regular milk. I'm using Shamrock. And we need our milk frother, and we're going to put it in this bowl, and here we go. Alright, so I have the sweetened condensed milk, the vanilla, the caramel, 1 teaspoon of each, and the regular milk, 1 3/4 cups. Now I'm going to blend it with my little coffee blender. Alright, so we put it in the jar, we shook it for 2 minutes. Now we are going to pour it into our espresso and try it. Homemade creamer. Looks amazing. Having it with espresso.